Good afternoon, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. I'm Mr. Muhammad Khalid, and you are learning technical and business writing. It is week 12, lessons 23 and 24. Dear students, our today's discussion topic is technical and scientific report writing. Dear students, in this discussion, we are going to have a brief information about the following topics. What is report writing? Types of reports, parts of report, abstract writing outlines, writing introductions, problem statement, literature review. Body means the development of a technical report, conclusions, reading and taking notes, plus the additional information. Dear students, now everybody is familiar with the word report. What a report means? A report means to describe, to pen down, or put in writing some problem, issue, case, finding, project, technically in very precise manner with relevant graphs and data for the information of the other people, be they are technical or non-technical, is called a report. Report writing is one of the major responsibility of the professionals in every field. Let's, for example, you visit a doctor and he suggests some tests to diagnose the issue. You go to laboratory, you take tests, and they create a report which doctor can read, and they talk about, or they inform you about the ailment and the causes of the ailment. That is called a medical report. Similarly, in the newspaper, you read daily basis news reports about health, about education, research, science, technology, politics, crime and punishment, law, culture. They are also the reports. Okay. Then you, in the newspaper, read the information about the business, about stock exchange, about many other ways. They are also business and business reports. Well, similarly, when you read the book of any subject about the computer sciences, about natural sciences, every content which is written from scientific point of view is supported by the relevant researched information is called a report. So all the academic books of the technical and scientific subject matters, they are called report. Fine. In there is a range of subject matters that we can include in report. For example, inspection reports, progress reports, proposal reports, project reports. So report writing is one of the very essential part of every department. Okay, and the department expects their employees to be proficient and well versed in technical communication, and whatever they communicate is called report. It can be oral. For example, you are working with a senior scientist and on a specific project, and there occurred some issue, and you orally go and explain that issue in informal manner or even informal manner. It is a report. It is oral report. But when you draft that issue in specific manner, is called written report. Clear? So in this very case, memos and letters, inquiries, and much more is also included in reports. Dear students, let's see it. Technical reports are a central part of your professional success and are usually designed to convince the reader of your position, persuade them to act, or inform them of your findings. Okay, means reports are primarily written to inform other people, experts. For example, medical reports are the reports about the various diseases or viral infections produced by the biologist help the Medicare experts to take the necessary measures in terms of medicine, in terms of environment. Fine. So that is a research work which an expert writes down in specific format in very technical and precise language. Clear? Reports help the people to help them to pursue something. I mean, recommendation reports, proposal reports. The two reports help the people to act, to follow. Fine. And what are the benefits of the report? Clearly communicate a solution to a problem. The very first thing that the report writing is always attracted by some issue, that there must be some issue worth communicating, कि वहां पर कोई ऐसी चीज हो जिसका बयान किया जाना जरूरी हो. Clear? Recommendations. Clear? Report help us deciding some actions. For example, uh, our organization, like BIT, is excited to open uh, another campus in Chakwal, but they won't take this decision instantly. Rather than experts from the BIT would visit that area, talk to the people, find out the opportunities, trend of the students, okay, and cost, other stakeholders, and then they will finally come to a decision that whether they should open or inaugurate the new campus there or not. So that is the recommendation report. But remember this, that all the decision making depends on that report. Clear? And action is further taken. Let's another example. all the project executed by the government for the public is not simply the daydreaming or resolution of the ministers only. Rather than that project is first proposed and then a detailed study about pros and cons, costs, benefit and loss, they are uh, assessed properly, and finally when all the stakeholders or the maximum stakeholders agree upon that the very project in discussion may come out to be beneficial and is in favor of the public in long run, is then taken to parliament and the decision is made. I mean, all the projects in the public sector are first recommended. Fine. And upon that reports, decisions are made. Now the question are, what is the difference between technical report, scientific report, and business report? The students, the first thing is, what is science? Scientific report. The science is the knowledge gained by five senses. With science is the knowledge about the matter derived from the five senses and contemplation following the scientific method. Clear? Is called science. So we divide the science into two categories: pure sciences and social sciences. Pure sciences like chemistry, physics, bio, and uh, uh, bio and many other things. Uh, they are called pure sciences. Fine. Social sciences, the subject in which the social activities include like law, literature, language, uh, civics, political science, but they are called social sciences. Pure sciences and social sciences. Well, the report written about the pure scientific matter, like preparation of gases, about some molecular uh, development, or anything that is purely scientific, in which a scientific issue is described and explained properly, is called scientific report. Well, what is technical? Technical report normally is related to technology, designing and development, that on the basis of scientific theories, when that theories are instrumentalized, जब उनसे कोई मशीन जनरेट की जाती है and new processes, functions or algorithms are generated, that is called technical report. Clear? That's, for example, report about the engines of the F-17, F-16. Okay. Report about the quality of the lubricants or about the oil and gas. Okay. Feasibility report, geological report about the earth and others, in which different machines and techniques, algorithms are applied. They are normally called technical reports. Fine. What are business reports? Business reports are normally related to financial, statistical, and business activities. Okay. For example, statistic reports, invoices, budget, okay, cost estimation in proposal, clear, uh, and much more. For example, when you read about the economics and business times or dawn news or uh, other, there is a specific portion for the business news. And even if you listen to BBC, there is a business roundup in which they normally assess the European markets, international markets, clear. They all are called business reports. And we also include uh, uh, formal letters, proposals, assessments, and memorandums in the business reports. Clear? Business reports are all about the management also. I'm sure that you have learned the difference between report writing. That report means to express something scientifically in a very precise manner to inform other people about the subject matter, be it is from social sciences, pure sciences, technology, or the business. Reports are written against specific issue, and reports tend to help information, help the other people in taking decisions. Okay, reports are just like a essay, clear, that is divided into different sections, and we apply different writing capabilities. Like somewhere we have to uh, write descriptions, outlines, narration, exposition, persuasions. Fine, we have to use it. In report writing, it is necessary that the writer must be expert of the field. He must be trained. He must be well versed and expert use of the language in which the report is being written. Scientific and technical report is always objective, clear, precise, factual, and attractive. Clear? And in scientific reports, technical reports, figures, diagrams, they are used largely to support the technical idea. But wherever we find the difficult words, formulas, diagrams, we write definitions, okay, to convey the exact meanings. Scientific and technical reports require training. The students, I'm sure you have understood what is a report, benefits of the report, and what are the main points that we keep in mind while report writing. Thank you very much.